Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.1 question number 4. A flooring tile has the shape of a parallelogram whose base is 24 cm and the corresponding height is 10 cm. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080 meter square? If required, you can split the tiles in whatever way you want to fill up the corners. Let's solve this one. Here, first of all, we have to find the area of one tile, right? Area of one tile, area of one tile. The tile is in the form of a parallelogram, and you know that the area of a parallelogram is base into height. Area of a parallelogram is base into height. Here you see in this diagram, the base is 24 cm and height is 10 cm. Therefore, you get the area of one tile is equal to 24 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Therefore, we are getting 240 centimeter square. This is 240 centimeter square, right? Now, area of the floor is given. Area of the floor, area of the floor, area of the floor, area of the floor is equal to 1080 meter square. 1080 meter square. First of all, we find this, convert this meter square into centimeter square, right? And we know that 1 meter square, here you see 1 meter square means 1 meter into 1 meter. And you know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, that is 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Therefore, we are getting 1 2 3 4 centimeter square. We have to convert this meter square into centimeter square, right? Therefore, we are getting 1080 into 140 1 2 3 4 centimeter square. You have to convert into the same unit, centimeter square, right? Therefore, area of one tile is 240 centimeter square and area of the floor is 1080 into 10000 centimeter square, right? Therefore, required number of tiles, required number of tiles, required number of tiles, required number of tiles is equal to area of the floor, area of the floor, area of the floor, area of the floor, area of the floor divided by area of the floor divided by area of one tile, area of one tile, area of one tile. Therefore, we are getting area of the floor is 1080 into 140 is there 1 2 3 4 divided by divided by 240 centimeter square. Divided by 240, 2, 4, 0. Right? Therefore, if we divide this 0 and this 0 is cut. Right? If you divide it again, that is by divided by 4. It is 4 6 is 24. 4 6 is 24. And 4 divided by 4 2 is 8. 28. 4 7 is 28. 4 7 is 28. Again divided by 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6. 3 9 is 27. 3 9 is 27. Right? If you divide it by again 2, that is 2 1 is 2. And 2 5 is 10. And 3 0 is 1 2 3. 1 2 3. That means we are getting 545. 45 and 3 zeros. 1 2 3. Therefore 45,000 tiles. The record number of tiles is 45,000. 5,000 tiles. This is the answer. Again we are repeating. Here you see area of one tile. This is the tile is a parallelogram, right? Therefore it is base into height. We know that area of a parallelogram is base into height. Base is 24 and height is 10 cm. That is 24 into 10, that is 240 cm square. Area of the floor is 1080 meter square, but we know that 1 meter square equal to 10000 centimeter square. Then we change it, convert it into centimeter square, that is 100 into 10000 centimeter square. We know that required number of tiles is equal to area of the floor by area of one tile. Area of the floor is 100 into 10000 and area of the one tile is 240. By calculation we are getting that it is 45,000 tiles. Therefore the required number of tiles is 45,000. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.